Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Pizza Day. Today we're gonna make
Lil Mr. Pineapple.
I am teaching my son the art of pizza, and he's a proud member of Sushi Chill and Grill. He's gonna make a delicious mini pizza.
First, we're gonna begin with these tiny pizza doughs. They are pre-made because we're lazy.
I'm teaching him that cheese is important for a pizza. And we're gonna put a lot on it. Well, he's gonna put a lot on it.
Because I like a lot of cheese.
Now he's adding some bacon. And man, we love some bacon.
Bacon and cheese.
Oh yes. Now, I know pineapple is a controversy.
Hey, but I like a lot of pineapple on my pizza.
And it's his pizza. Little Mr. Pineapple Pizza.
And I know my dad.
So he's gonna put on some extra cheese. And this is a really good Parmesan cheese.
Now they will go in the oven for 10 minutes. Or if they're done, well, we'll see.
Now, let's do this.
No, I'm gonna do this, Dad.
Look at that. 3 small Little Mr. Pineapple pizzas.
Oh man, I really like them. I'm gonna eat them all.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like my son's Little Mr. Pineapple pizzas. Now give him some big likes and some really nice comments. He also reads the comments. That's so cool. And I'm really proud of him. And as always, see you next time.